Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. Today we have November's Boxycharm base box. Woo woo! Yeah! Can't wait to see what I have. I don't remember what I chose as my selection. And I'm cutting it open now. Why waste time when we can just get right to it? Yeah, it looks like this. And it says invite only. And it is written very small, so I will get my glasses out. My spectacles, if you will. And we have 5 things here. And the first off is from Voss. It is a Violet Voss Sunset Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. Get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Sunset Palette, a color story inspired by the magical colors of the summer, or the sunset. Oh, it is not summer, Rhonda. Of the sunset. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic everyday warm neutrals and complementary pops of color to achieve the looks you desire and more. And this is $37, and I like to keep track of how much the box is worth. So $37. And let's take a look at this puppy. I don't hardly have any nails, so let's see if the scissors will help. There we go. I know I keep them out for some reason. And Violet Voss is alright. A lot of people really love it. I think it's just okay. And it is definitely a nude palette with some pops of purple. And that would be great for a lot of people. But when you have a big collection like me, I'm not poo-pooing on this. It's a very pretty palette. But I just wouldn't need it because I've got so many things. But that's a good start to the box. Oh, look, we have, this is all like the stuffing to keep it from breaking. This did a really good job so far. I don't think that the eyeshadow palette broke, and it was all because of this piece of paper. Silly. Silliness, I say. Silly. Wag the arm. It happens. And then from Alexi, I'm really excited about this. I love Alexi brushes. It is a Alexi Brush Set in a little container. And it is pour la noche. Blend, shade, and define your look to perfection with this starter brush set. It covers all the essential brushes that you need when you travel, to include a festive zip pouch for storage. And that is $40. Very nice. And then from Skin Fix, oh, this is nice. It is Skin Fix resurfacing pads. Resurfacing pads already over here. Powered by AHAs and BHAs and enzymes, these one-step face and body exfoliating pads help brighten and smooth skin, while niacinamides support a healthy skin barrier. Pre-soaked biodegradable pads help regulate sebum, minimize the appearance of fine lines and pores, and target serious skin concerns such as acne, unevenness, and discoloration. They're also free of a long list of ingredients, many of the known triggers of the Malassezia folicidix, aka fungal acne. Woo! $50. These kind of pads are really expensive. Let's take a look and see what the package looks like. I'm not going to open them up just yet, but it is they're nice sized pads. I can feel that they take up just about all the room in there. And it's beautiful packaging. Very nice. Everybody needs those AHAs and BHAs. And then, oh, this is great. From Bodyography Pro Makeup Brush Cleanser. I use Cinema Secrets, but this is still great to have. It'd be great to travel with. A quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes, made from natural orange peels and gentle cleansers. This makeup brush cleaner will get the job done while satisfying your senses. This product also is vegan, cruelty free, and comes in a recyclable packaging, and it's $19. And makeup brush cleaners are very expensive, so I don't doubt that that's $19. And then last but not least, we have Eyeshadow Base from Ace Beauté. And this eyeshadow amplifying base is a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. It intensifies the eyeshadow colors, both matte and shimmer, and allows the shadows to stay on longer. And that's $14.99. So what we got was the Violet Voss, the eyeshadow primer, the Skin Fix, the brushes, and the brush cleaner. I think it's a great box, and it's $160.99 value for $25, and I think that is a good deal. So I'm going to give it thumbs up. Woo woo party. So anyway, I hope you had a great day and enjoyed my box. I will enjoy my box. Many people enjoy boxes. Have a great day. We'll see you real soon. Bye.